times have I told you to stop calling me? Stop calling this number. Dad, no, you listen to me. I am not interested in your money. I've told you countless times, I don't want it. Keep your billions, your private jets, your mansions to yourself. I do not need it. Oh, what? You think I would come back crawling to you because of what? Now you listen and listen good, Daddy. I am my own woman. I can take care of myself. Yes. Keep your billions to yourself and do not call my number again. Please. Nonsense. Hey, tell my dad to stop calling me. He should respect himself and stop calling me. I don't need his money. I don't need anything from him. If he wants to distribute his money, he can give it to peasants like you, okay? You may leave.
Sorry, but was that your father you were telling to stay with?
Yes, that's my dad. He thinks money is everything. He thinks he can buy me and buy my love with his money. But no, I wouldn't let him do that. You know why? Because I am my own woman. With or without my dad, I am made. I'm already a billionaire, so why do I need my dad? Why do I need his billions? Why do I need his private jet? Why? Please.
Wow. That's some level of audacity.
Well, since we are going to be living together for a bit, I think I should introduce myself properly. My name is Natasha Edwards, but you can call me Tasha.
It's a lie. Wait, you mean Natasha Edwards? Like Senator Edwards?
Yes, Edwards.
Oh my God, I know your father is such a powerful man. Because he will stay with me. Oh my God!
So, if you're a senator's daughter, why are you not online like other kids? Like other politician kids? You're just nowhere.
Unlike others, I love my privacy. Yes, I like to keep a low profile. You see all that unnecessary attention? Miss me with it. Let me tell you something that you may not know. Privacy is luxury. Besides, I don't intend to stay in this small place for long. Yeah. My mansion is getting renovated, which is why I'm here, and I'm only going to be here for a few days.
So you're the one the caretaker told us about?
I believe so. This place. I wasn't expecting this, actually. I expected somewhere, you know, somewhere bigger, classier, and more expensive.
Well, you don't really have to be here, you know.
Like I said, I'm here for a few days. This place is really, I don't know, it's really choked up. It's so small. What is that stain over there? It's nothing compared to my father's mansions, or even mine. It's sad that I have to manage this place. It's, oops. Was that a fly? Oh my goodness. I haven't seen a fly in like years. I hope you don't have cockroaches and spiders and all that.
People to stay longer.
Thank you.
Now we're done.
Oh.
Sorry.
There's this smell that I perceive here, and it's beginning to make me tear. It smells awful. It smells like garlic. You know, it smells damp, and this place is really hot. The AC doesn't work.
Well, I think you should just go into your room and just fresh it up, okay? This is Nigeria.
Yeah.
Yeah. In some parts of Nigeria, we do have good... It's okay. It's okay.
Better.
Can you be a darling and help me with that?
Sure.
Thank you.
Sure.
Wait. What is this place?
Your room.
My room?
Yes.
Nah, it can't be. This is a dungeon. Why is it so dusty and... What is that stench? Everywhere stinks. I can't afford to live in filth. Please, just call Bruno to come clean this place up. Hurry up, please.
Sorry, who is Bruno?
Oh, shit. I forgot. I'm not in my father's mansion. You know, Bruno is one of our housekeepers.
Oh.
Please, can you help me clean up this place? Because everywhere smells. I can't stay here.
But it's already clean.
Are you kidding me? How is this place clean? Listen, in my father's house, we don't see dust. We don't smell dust. As a matter of fact, dust doesn't exist.
Wow. Must be nice.
I know. This should be the bed.
Yes.
No, I can't. Becky, I'm sorry, I can't do this. I can't stay here, please.
Wait.
I can't afford to stay here. I'll get infection. Everywhere stinks. I literally cannot breathe. It's hot. The AC. Girl, I can't leave here. I'm sorry, I have to go.
Sorry, just hold on, eh? You don't need to go now. Don't worry. I'm going to wipe down everything again. I'll make sure everything is clean. Sparkling clean.
You're going to do that for me?
Yes, I will.
You're nice.
Thank you.
Sit girl. Oh, my heels hurt.
Oh
my god! What is it?
What? Your shoes!
Oh, my shoes.
I've been seeing them all over. You're so pretty. I've been wanting to get one.
Stefan's collections. You know Stefan's? This is their newest edition. Yeah. Oh, you will know it is way above your league. Yeah. Thousands of dollars.
Oh, nice.
Yes. Excuse me. Ah.
So, I will go.
I know I'm literally living your dreams, right?
Yes!
Don't worry, if you continue to be nice to me, maybe I would consider giving you one of these.
Oh my god, thank you so much!
You're welcome. Yes,
thank
I will.
you.
What's your shoe size?
42.
42. Then I'll make that too.
Oh my god, thank you so much!
Don't do that.
Sorry.
You're welcome, but did you take a shower? No. I was just checking. Okay, I guess we can start cleaning up so I can sit
Yes,
in.
let me go get.
Yes, sit girl. Excuse me, please can we? Is it possible to get silk sheets instead? Like silky material? You don't know what that is? It's fine, just get the stuff to clean up.
I'm coming.
Alright. Thank you.
I'm coming.
Hey! Hey! Why are you going to like a headless chicken?
I want to go and clean Natasha's room.
You say what?
I want to go and clean Natasha's room.
Is she handicapped?
No. You won't understand. Let me come.
What is wrong with you? Why are you acting like this? Why? Does she not have arms? Doesn't she have legs? Why are you turning yourself into a housemaid? From where to where, Becky?
It doesn't mean anything now.
It means a lot. It means a lot. Are you getting paid? Because from where I'm sitting, it's as if you are doing free shifts.
Come on. It's not a big deal.
It is a big deal. What is wrong with you? What has come over you? Hold up. Wait. Don't you find this whole thing suspicious?
Hey, shh. Keep your voice down now. She's inside.
A whole senator's daughter who supposedly has mansions, housekeeper, suddenly decided to squat in our shared apartment. It doesn't bother you.
It's not a big deal. She already explained, right?
What is wrong with you? Think, Becky, think. I don't understand though. Why is she in her house? Why is she not in a hotel? Why is she not at her friend's place or her man's house? Why here? For someone who claims to be above our lifestyle, why is she here? Why here?
And okay, maybe God wants to use her and bless us. Think about it.
God wants to use her and bless you so you can turn into a housemaid overnight. I don't understand you. The reason the best way to take expired Zobo, I don't understand you. It's not funny.
See, Gloria, you're overreacting, okay? Just calm down. Don't give me they do the work. Have fun now, relax. Relax, oh.
Sorry, you.
See, I'm going to clean it. Maybe after cleaning, she will give me dollars. You can never tell. They just, if you lose, you lose. Bye. Thank you.
I hope my apartment is ready. Look, because I do not want excuses. That's all you've been doing. Excuses, stories. That's what I've been hearing all this time. Okay. What about my bedroom? The color is beige. Not cream, not off-white. Beige. Great. And the chandelier? And so what? I said imported. I don't want anything local. So what if it's $500,000? Five chandeliers, $500,000 each. Buy it, I'll pay. Just stressing me. And my walk-in closet? The tilers are almost done with the bathroom. My shoe rack, the heels should be very close to the sneakers. Exactly. You know you're the reason I'm here, right? You're the reason I'm in this slum. You're the reason I'm settling for... Listen to me. I want my apartment ready as soon as possible. How can I be staying here? Do you know who I am? Natasha Edwards, staying in the slum with some slum girls. It doesn't make sense. I'll be waiting on your call. Yeah. Goodness. Becky?
Yes?
Is there any good food in this house?
Yes, you're hungry?
I'm not necessarily. I'm a bit peckish. I just want something to nibble on. And my bank app has been acting up. So I can't really order anything right now.
Well, no problem. Let me get you something. Come and sit down.
Hurry up.
Okay.
Good food, please. God. Can these people just get my apartment ready? Can they just finish?
Your food's here.
Oh. Excuse me. What is this?
I asked you.
What kind of stew is this? This is no stew. I mean, stew is supposed to be red, right? Why is this so green? It looks like spirogyra and all gay. This looks like puke. This is slum food. This is definitely slum food. I can't afford to eat this.
Look, if you don't want to eat it, forget about it.
I can't. This is going to cause food poisoning. You don't expect me to eat this.
Alright, no problem. Becky, take that food back.
What are you doing? This is what my dad is.
This is poisonous. God, I can't believe I have to do this. See what my dad is making me do? See what he's subjecting me to? I have to eat this puke because of him. Goodness gracious, I hope I don't die after eating this. Jesus. Oh goodness, I hope I don't die. Is there juice?
Eh?
Yes.
There's no juice. There is no juice. I swear, Becky, something doesn't sit right with me about Natasha.
Gloria, Natasha is a good person, okay? You just don't know her like I do. Maybe she's just a little bit overwhelmed by everything.
But still, something doesn't add up. Look, I have been around rich, wealthy people before. I mean, real wealthy people. And they don't behave this way. They don't exaggerate about their status. But, I don't know, I feel she's doing too much.
Look, maybe she's just different. And maybe she's just trying to keep a low profile. You know, it's not everybody that likes being in public eyes. That doesn't mean she's lying. So,
Okay, well, we're in this house together, isn't it? So, let's see what happens. I just hope things end well. You want to sleep?
oh, sleep.
Let's sleep with
What did they happen now? Why did they ask me if I send you money again? Which kind of wahala be this? Which kind of problem? Why be say every time I call you, na so problem? Na the same thing you'd always tell me. Today, no money, no food. Mama sick. This one happened, that one happened. Which you now want kill me? I don't tire now. Be human being, I don't tire. Haba. You don't ask me as I take care of my own self. Oh, wahala now. I don't hear you. I go send wetin I fit send. I beg, no call me for money again. I beg, now God that they use beg you. I beg. What problem is this now? Every day problem upon problem. Which kind of wahala be this? Ha! So the thought say first daughter go die before na go no say she dey try. Okay. God dey.
Gloria, this one when you dress like this, who you want to go by?
Becky, please.
Now, wow. So because say today na Desmond birthday, you want to kill us?
What do you mean? So I do dress bad on other days?
I didn't say that too. Oh girl, you look good.
I know, right? Thank you.
But has he said anything yet?
Becky, he hasn't said anything yet too.
Hi. You know say some men they like phone before they spill. So maybe he's taking his time. But Gloria, what if he wakes up and decides to confess? Are you ready to be Mrs. Desmond?
Sharp. Before Uncle, Desmond is my everything, to be very honest.
Aww. That's nice. If the feeling is mutual, why hasn't he said anything?
Exactly. That's my point. I've asked myself this question so many times, but no answer. On several occasions, I've been tempted to prove myself to him, but I don't want to appear desperate.
Don't.
Right?
Don't try it.
Okay, I have to go. I'm running late, okay?
No,
I'll get you something.
Shall bring gist?
I'll bring gist.
Enough
I'll be food.
gist. Gist and food. All of them join.
Mama, how your body?
I did, my pikin. I did. God is keeping me.
So she go dey turn for night. She no dey fit sleep. Mama, tell auntie the truth now. Tell auntie.
She no dey sleep.
She no dey sleep.
My
What
pikin.
of the medicine now?
Even the doctor say the medicine now we go need to buy another one. The one wey she dey use before don finish. Say we go need to buy another one make she feel strong like before again.
Mama, why you no tell me now? Why you dey do like this now?
No, see, you don't over try. Eh? You just dey carry body way big pass you. Body way no be you get am. Hey,
If I don't take care of you, who go come take care of you now? You don't know, say now you be my responsibility, Mama. Why they do like this? You don't make anything happen to you.
No go great.
Besides, your body hot. Hi.
No good.
No, landlord come today.
Wetin he talk?
Landlord talk say we get 2 weeks to pay our rent. If no, he go pursue us come up for this house now.
Wetin he go talk now? Person wey don dey find opportunity to pursue us come up for this house since Papa die. If to say I no know am, and you tell me say na my uncle be that, I no go believe am. My Papa brother, na him dey treat us like this since Papa die.
He dey shock
When
me.
you no get anything, na so people go treat you. For this life, my pikin. For this life, if you no get money, you no get respect. And so people go dey look you like say you no be anything. Na him make me dey tell you say make you work hard o, make money. If you dey poor, people go dey mash you. They go carry you do yeye. If you like cry, or you beg them, or try to explain, nobody go listen. Because for this life, na only money people dey understand. Only money o.
Hello.
Well. Look who finally decided to grace us with our presence.
Yeah.
You left so early.
Yes, I had to go for my morning routine. You know, jog, get some fresh air. We can't get this body looking all soft now, can we?
No, you can. And actually, you need some air because you've been through a whole lot recently.
Exactly.
And this body, bangs.
We have to do what we have to do.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm so tired.
I'm so
I
sorry.
want to have a warm bath. Can you please arrange that?
Oh, sure. Let me just disrupt this.
All right. Becky, you've been glued to your laptop since forever. What are you working on that will not allow you some break, some little break?
I'm a blogger, so I'm trying to keep my site updated, post new content, and keep it organized.
For real? You're a blogger. You know, I never thought you to be one of those. So, what exactly are you working on?
Wait, I hope you're not planning on posting that the senator's daughter is lodging in your house.
No, why would I do that? Please. If I know anything better, that should be not posting people I live with. I don't cross that boundaries.
Great.
Everything I do here is professional and nothing too serious.
Professional is good.
Yeah, unless you want drama.
Nah.
But I'm not about that.
Nice. Well done.
Thank you.
So, I was going to ask, how long have you and Gloria been friends for? How long have you guys been living together?
For the longest I can remember, we've been practically living together for so long now. Yeah, we have each other's back.
Right.
Yeah.
So you both are really close?
We're best friends.
Oh, best friends.
Yep.
Interesting. Do you ever think that being this close and even living together could cause problems in the future? You know, some kind of little problems here and there.
I mean, everyone has stuff they're going through, right? So we're just trying to work towards it, make it work, get it together.
Mm-hmm. So you don't think she can betray you?
Nah, maybe I wouldn't do that. She wouldn't.
Thanks. Don't mind me, I'm just asking.
You know, being a politician's daughter, I've heard tales of blackmails, broken trust, betrayals. I'm not used to a world full of honest and sincere people.
I'm so sorry. But they're actually nice people around here a lot, so you should get used to that and relax.
It's fine.
I know that that's why you came here.
No.
This place.
Oh no, I just wanted to see what you were working on.
I wouldn't do that to you.
I know. Alright, well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Honestly, Gloria, look, I wasn't expecting all this birthday stuff. I mean, you know me now. I'm not one for big celebrations.
Oh, please, Desmond. You deserve it. Okay? Look, you're a great leader. You're the best leader. So you deserve all this honor. Don't play humble with me.
So now I'm a great leader, eh? You're just whining me, I'm a great leader. By the way, I know you're the mastermind behind all this.
Yeah, though I had little helps here and there. But yeah, you deserve it. So that's why we had to come up with all this.
Gloria, thank you so much. I mean, seriously, I've had no one look out for me the way you do. And I really, really do appreciate it.
Desmond, you don't have to thank me. Okay? Do you have anything else to say?
I'm grateful.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Do you know her?
Not really. She looks like someone I've met before, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That explains it.
Who's she?
She's staying with us for the meantime. I
Oh.
think she's having a family issue. Like, I don't know. She's just in between trying to get an apartment and she's staying with us for now.
Okay.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Okay, let me go get you something, okay?
All right.
I'll be right back.
No problem.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah?
is there any other thing I can do for you?
No. You can retire for the night.
Okay, sir. Your key, sir.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So nothing again, sir.
Fine. Good night.
All right. Thank you, sir.
See you tomorrow.
All right, sir.
Becky, you needed to see how Desmond was thanking me. He was just thanking me for everything. He was just being grateful and you know what? He actually held my hand.
Okay. You guys are now holding hands, huh? This is serious, oh.
I don't know, but I know that I like him. I like him so much. I'm falling for him, to be very honest. I don't know how to tell him. We've been friends for a year now, so I'm certain that he doesn't see me as just his friend.
Gloria, calm down, breathe, okay? I know this is hard, but from what I see, Desmond is not showing the obvious signs. It might just be him being polite.
Yeah, but that's the thing. I know Desmond. Desmond isn't like this. He's not some random guy that does this to everyone. I know him. There is something there. I can feel it. There's something there. With the way he talks to me, the way he looks at me, he's always soft-spoken whenever he comes to me. And I'm certain he's not just seeing me as a friend. It's more than that, definitely.
Okay, Gloria, slow down. You know that I've known you long enough to know when you're overthinking things. And right now, I think you are. Because you're trying to make it look obvious when there are no signs there. See things that are not even there. Look, Desmond is the kind of guy who doesn't show his feelings. And he might not be feeling what we think he's feeling. Just saying.
So should I make the first move?
I didn't say that. Look, just calm down, okay? When a man wants you, he wants you. It's not your job to make him see your worth, okay? So relax, everything will be fine. You just have to take it one step at a time, okay?
Yeah, I'll try. Just, I really don't know how to hold this for long, but I'll try.
Lover girl.
You have to see how you held my hand.
God, I beg you. I beg, tell me another thing. How was your day at the office?
I shall like you.
I know.
Oh, where is she now? I don't have that time. Madam, can you do fast? Just the disturb person every time.
Oh, God, calm down now. You're shouting.
How long will it take?
Then they shout for this estate, so relax.
Okay now.
Tasha!
Tasha, come out.
Oh, God, calm down now. She's coming.
Okay.
Please come and attend to him.
Come and attend to me.
Mr. Connell, what are you doing here? Oh, I know my dad sent you here, right? Look, tell my dad that I'm not interested. He needs to leave me alone. I'm a grown-up girl. I can take care of myself, okay? Tell him. Tell my dad that he should stop texting me. He needs to stop calling me. I do not want him in my life. Listen, because I respect that family so much, that is why I will not wash his dirty linens outside. So please, come with me. Just come. My dad needs to stop this. It's becoming embarrassing. My dad really needs to stop this. What is wrong with you? What are you doing here? Are you trying to ruin everything I've worked for?
Why am I here? All that drama. All that drama you had me put on for you. You made me use my August car to drive you here. And you made me an accomplice to whatever it is you are doing. You did promise to pay me. And up till now, I don't have anything from you. You don't return my calls. You don't even reply my messages.
Use your voice now.
Don't leave me
That's why you're shouting.
Okay, okay.
How much is it that you're shouting for? Small money,
Yeah,
chicken
yes.
change. Calm down. Look, Uves, sorry, Uves, I'll pay you back.
When?
It's just that I'm hustling, yeah? I'm hustling. I promise you I'll send you something very soon, okay?
When will you pay me back?
Okay, before the end of this week, I'll send you something. I promise. You can be good now, you know?
Now make next week you reach now. Come they hear me another story.
Calm down,
Me, I no go listen.
No problem, just be going. Don't come here again.
Wait.
Don't come here again, I beg.
Wait. If I may ask, why all this fake
Hey,
lifestyle.
hey. Respect yourself. Don't put your mouth on anything to concern you. Mind your business, yes. I say I'll pay you back. Which one can be your own?
Okay.
Please come and be going.
Next week.
Come and be going now.
My money.
No problem.
When I look at you, I find it very difficult, to reconcile the picture I see with who I used to know. I mean, I remember how I used to struggle on the streets, work so hard every time you're busy. But as a compassionate friend, I decided to lend you money for you to start your business. And you did. Look at you today. You're successful and you're happy, and I'm proud of you.
Rub it on my face. Anyways, thank you, bro. Thank you. The long hours of work really paid off.
Yeah, I did.
Thank God.
Obviously, I did. So, what's next? I mean, you have a good business running. What's next? When are you settling down?
Settle down? No. I mean, I haven't found the right person yet, so I'm taking my time.
Are you for real? I thought you had something going on.
No, I'm not in a rush. Gloria, we're just friends. Yeah, she's a really good person to me, so we're just friends. Besides, she's not my type.
Just friends?
Yeah.
Man and woman, just friends. Tell me another story.
For real, we're just really good friends. Yeah.
Bro, I don't believe you. Okay, let me just accept that you guys are just friends. Well, tell me, are you sure she's not catching feelings?
Nah, she knows we're just friends, nothing serious.
You say so. So, what you're trying to tell me is that there's no one in the picture?
Nah, for now there's nobody. I mean, you're my guy now. If I get someone in the picture, I'll definitely let you know. Seriously, sure, I will.
Are you sure?
Of course now. The offer of your guys, the business now, you're good.
Yeah. The goods have arrived. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Mad cash out.
Dad, what kind of nonsense is this? Why? No, why would you freeze my account? What did I do? Listen, Dad, this is not fair. You have no right freezing my account just like that. No, this is unfair. So just like that, because I'm not doing your bidding, you decide to freeze my account? How am I supposed to survive? Are you serious? You're trying to punish your own daughter. How callous can you be, Dad? Oh, so you think this is going to humble me, right? You think I'll come back crawling to you? Dad, kindly unfreeze my account. Please, I'm respecting you. Just unfreeze my account. This is my hard-earned money. Do you know how much I have in that account? Hundreds of millions. And you just want to take it away from me just like that? That's unfair. It's fine. You know what? Keep your damn account to yourself. I don't need it. Okay? I don't need it. I will not succumb to your nonsense. I will not crawl back to you. I will not. Keep the money. Rubbish.
Is everything okay?
Of course not. Can you imagine my dad froze my account just like that? How am I supposed to survive?
I'm so sorry. That's too much. That's a lot. So you mean you don't have access to your...
Zero access. I have no money. I am practically broke. Just because I refuse to do his bidding. What kind of father does that to his own daughter? This is totally unfair. How am I supposed to cope? How?
Sorry.
Where do I get money from? I don't have a penny on me as you... Meanwhile, I have hundreds of millions lying in my account. Yet I can't access it. Why is my dad doing this to me? Why is he embarrassing me?
Don't cry.
He knows I don't like to ask people for money. How am I supposed to... What am I supposed to do now? How am I supposed to take care of my skin? How am I supposed to change my undies? You know I don't repeat. What am I supposed to do? How do I... I don't like this thing my dad keeps...
I have some money that I'm not using. So I can give that to you.
Oh my God. Becky, you do that for me?
Yes, I mean, you will pay back, right?
Of course, I will pay you. Why are you so kind? Why? Why are you have such a good heart.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, I'll make you a millionaire.
Is it like?
Yes, you have a good heart. And people with good hearts like yours deserve to be millionaires.
Yes, you know I'm a good person.
Thank you. You're literally a lifesaver right now. You know I can't stoop so low to ask anybody for money.
Yeah.
You're willing to help me. Thank you so much.
Yes, please send me your account number.
Oh yes, I will. Real goal. These are real goals. Thank you so much. Let me get my phone. 002457 Yes,
Alright.
Exotic Bank.
Okay. I'll send it.
Thank you so much. You, honestly, girl, I am going to make you a millionaire.
I thought you were going now.
Mm.
That's my food.
Yes, I'm actually going out. I'm so.
Oh my god, I'm so hungry. What's wrong with me? This is my menstrual cramps that is doing this to me. I've been trying to...
Do?
Becky, when did you start eating like a thief now? When?
I don't understand.
You don't understand what? I made food this morning, now the food is gone. Look, the pot is empty. They haven't washed it.
Wait, before you start shouting, it's not me.
Who?
It's Tasha.
Eh?
Tasha.
What is all this now? No, what is all this? Why is she eating like a thief? Also, don't tell me to calm down, please. I'm hungry. This is the food I made this morning. And it's gone. Why? I don't get it. Is she here to stay permanently? It's over a week now. She has to leave. Oh. No, she has to leave. Even when we had visitors, they were not stressing us like this now. Ah! I'm tired though. I'm tired. She has to leave. Yes, she needs to leave. Ah! So what will I eat now?
I'll make another food for you.
She has to leave. She has overstayed her welcome. She has to leave. She's not contributing anything at all. Ah, I want you to eat. What does this one? Hey, cook the indomie fast. I'm hungry.
Mama. Now the money be this. This money now for rent and any other thing where you go need do with money. I beg. Now God that they use beg una. Make una manage am. Because it's not easy to make money. I know they pick money from tree. I beg.
Hey, Gabriel! See what your sister bring. Hey!
Make una manage am. No be. Thank God say you use your mouth talk and the money plenty. Because I know you smart thing now. You go begin call. Tell me say, hey, sister, oh, mama don't sick, oh, this one happen, oh, NEPA don't cut like I no want hear anything. For at least 3 months, no call my number.
My picking.
If una no one call me, may una check on me. No call me. I beg. Manage am.
Thank you, my dear.
Hey, welcome, mama.
This one will really help. It go help well.
Thank God.
Thank you. Oh. God will bless
problem.
you.
Mama, you don't do.
But Didamaka, now where do they get this kind of money from?
Hey, Biakwa. Now, what kind of question be that now? Eh? You said, you know, say I don't dey hustle. I don't dey hustle now. All the job where I don't dey find. Finally, God, this God don't finally come through for me. You say what God cannot do
Does not exist. But what kind of job?
Now, this your question complains you. And I go do marketing, do real estate. You know marketing now. Real estate, all those big men we go exactly properties. You know say big men they don't dey get time. Their own are to carry plenty money, put for house, buy land, buy car, buy this one, invest. Now investment they do, but they don't get time, they don't get energy to manage them. So now where I enter be that. Now me go dey manage all those things for there. I go see my own cut, small cut, bring corn house for now.
So long na better job. I no wan hear story o.
Mama, what is you dey worry yourself too much. You no go hear to me. No worry. You see, come here. Take care of mama. Oh. Take care of mama. I no wan hear say money don't finish. You hear me?
Didamaka, come. Wetin you come wear like this? Where you dress?
Mama, leave that one, Jerry. You be my brother. Opade.
Keep the money.
Okpade, I will like carry Okpago, but another
Come
time.
carry na you dey.
No problem, another time when I come back. Bye-bye.
Okay, landlord, she's still there. Okay, landlord, that's the problem. That's the main issue. Since she started staying here, she has not contributed a dime, not even a kobo. I understand, sir. I understand. I know. Now I be want to take permission from you. Alright, sir. Thank you.
So now what's the plan?
I don't know. I really don't know how to go about this, but one thing is certain. Tasha needs to start contributing in this house or she leaves.
Hello.
Hi. Do I know you? Your face looks familiar.
Yeah. It's just that I've not had access to you.
Sorry about that.
It's fine. My name is Desmond.
Natasha, what can I do for you?
I'm sorry, I know this is like an awkward situation, but I would love to have a conversation with you. Can I please have your number, please?
Okay. Here you go.
Alright, now I'll give you a call.
Alright.
Do you mind dropping you off?
No, my cab is almost here.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll call you then. Okay. Bro, man, I've met that girl somewhere. I just collected her number. Yeah, she is.
Hey, Gloria.
Hi. Good.
Please, do you mind taking me some pictures? I need to send to my footballer boyfriend. Thank you. Some very nice, hot, sexy pictures. One second, please. Slay in the pictures. Everything will come correct. Wait. Suck it in. Okay.
It's hard to know what it carries.
Yeah, it's okay. I need you to capture the pass. No, so you have to come this way. Yes. Get my angles, please. Let me see. Ah. Yes, this is beautiful. I've got some ass, you know.
Yeah, I do.
It's very big. And
yeah, right?
He's gonna go gaga when he sees this. By the way, he says he wants to get me a gift. What do you think? What should I ask for?
It depends. Do you want something flashy or something that actually makes sense?
I like flashy. But I think money is the most important thing.
Then tell him you need a good investment. Land, shares, or even luxury bags. You could just resell them.
Land, shares, investment. Are you forgetting who I am? Why am I asking for land when I'm not an old man? Girl, I am rich, okay? I don't need investments. Look, with the money I have, with the money my family has, my generations upon generations upon generations do not need to work. And guess what? They will never be broke. So I don't need no investments. I'll just ask for money.
Oh, okay. Whatever suits you.
Okay, a quick video please, before I leave. Sorry. Thank you. Just a video of me looking pretty.
Hold on. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, have a great day.
And you too. Bye. Hi. What's good? I'm fine. Just thought to check on you. Are you sure? You sound a bit off. Something wrong? Alright, no problem. No problem. I'll call you again, okay? Enjoy your day. Ah, madam, you're back. Welcome. Careful.
Oh, guy. If you see the way things stay, they're expensive for market, eh? My money don't finish.
Sorry. Yeah? It's your turn to restock the house. So you should do it smiling sheepishly. Speaking of expenses, babe, our rent don't due.
Me, I know, but I'm kind of low on funds, man.
I thought you told me you had some money saved up. What's happened?
I gave it to Natasha. She needed it urgently, and I'm not even using it to do anything.
Wait. You gave someone we barely know your house rent money?
Look, she's struggling. Her father cut her off. And I gave it to her.
How? Okay. She's struggling, her father cut her off, blah, blah, blah. How is that our business? I don't understand. How we go take parents?
I don't know, but she will refund now. She said she's going to give me back. Eh? She's struggling, no.
You gave our house rent to a stranger. Becky.
Gloria, she's not a stranger anymore. She's family now. So we need to help one another.
Oh, family. So a few weeks she's been here, she's now family. Becky, with a struggle to pay house rent, you are out here dashing stranger money. Are you normal? Are you okay?
Fine, now why you dey shout?
Why not go shout? How will take parents?
Calm down now.
Why didn't you even tell me before you? When did she ask you for money? Senator speaking.
You dey shout.
Senator Pikin ask you for money, you give her money.
You dey raise your voice.
No. Okay, so how will take pay our rent?
See, I don't know. Eh? We'll talk about this later. For now.
I'm not tired.
You do like quarrel.
The sphere of life keeps going round and round. We don't even know where it's going. People change.
Yeah, hello? Hi, it's me, Desmond. The guy you met the other day on the road.
Oh, Desmond. Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, how you doing?
thank you. How are you?
I'm great. I'm great. I'm great. So, I was thinking, could we have a proper date? I mean, get to see, know each other.
Okay, I'll let you know when I'm free.
Okay. Great, great, great. So I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye.
See, my guy, don't they fall in love here. You don't meet girl when they scatter your balance, Abi.
Yeah, we just met now. Just met.
You just met. And you're smiling like somebody that won visa lottery.
Calm down, guy. Must you be like this?
You guys dey smile like say you win lottery. You don't fall in love, my guy. You don't fall. At this guy.
Omo, this one is really, really tasty. I think it's very nutritious. Yeah, I can't believe it's so good. And do you eat this more often?
Me?
You seem to like it.
No, not really. Actually, I never used to eat this. I never used to like it until I bought the okpa from that young boy the other day. Ever since then, I've been stuck.
Oh, that's
yes,
nice.
I've been patronizing him.
That's
nice. I never really used to like it.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
For one who is the senator's daughter eating this, who am I not to?
Well, you know, they say when you're in Rome, you behave like the Romans. Yes, so ordinarily, I would never eat this, you know, but
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
I'm trying.
Meanwhile, sorry girls, I hate to bring this up, but our rent is due. And Tasha, you've been here for more than a week, so you have to contribute this time around.
Well,
alright, that's fine. Take your time, take your time.
I'll pay. Yeah, well, I mean, it's understandable if you ask me to contribute. You know, it would be cruel of me not to, considering how kind you both have been to me. So it's fine. Send the details, I'll do the needful.
Alright. Enjoy your okpa.
What did you call this again?
Okpa.
Okpa.
But you pronounced it when you said your...
I did?
Yeah, actually. She did, yeah. Oh, really? Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Are you serious? Oh, I can't believe you actually did that.
I'm telling you, Tasha, I had no choice. The whole thing was a mess, but somehow I made it out alive.
Yes, you're so lucky you're still breathing. But hey, I have to give you props for that. You know how to handle yourself very well. So, when are you going to let me in on your secret skills? I have a feeling I'm missing out on some serious life hacks. Well, I'm looking forward to that. But don't go thinking you can impress me because trust me, I've seen it all. Anyways, I really have to say thank you for making me laugh tonight because I had a terrible day.
You're not ready for those, trust me. But maybe one day I'll let you in. That's a deal.
All right, Desmond. I guess this is time to call it a night.
Good night.
I'll talk to you some other time, right?
Sleep well. I'll call you first thing tomorrow morning, okay?
Tomorrow morning. Okay, no problem. Good night.
Hey Tasha, look, you really need to come over, okay? I've got a surprise for you, and I'm sure you'll love it.
Something special? You're beginning to make it sound like it's gonna be one of those surprise dinner dates.
Well, if I told you, it won't be a surprise anymore. So, like I said, I've got a plan, and you'll really be impressed.
Alright. I'm intrigued. But you better make it worth my while. That's good.
Okay, hey, look, like I said, I've got a plan, and you'll be impressed. Looks like you've not even gotten out of bed yet.
With you buzzing my phone this early morning, how can I?
Okay, I'm gonna allow you. Alright. So just get set. Talk to you soon.
Here you go. How do I look?
Oh my god. This is fire. You look good.
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
I don't know how I feel. I feel a little too light, too simple. I know you said to keep it simple and classy, but come on. I need to... Look, listen, this is a guy I haven't seen in a long time, and I want to keep a lasting impression. So I think I should have my cleavage open and maybe a shorter dress, I just want to look sexy.
This is perfect. We don't want your boobs or your short dress taking the attention. You need to do the talking, not your boobs and short dress.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What about the accessories? Maybe I should wear some more.
No, they are nice.
I don't look basic. And the shoes?
Perfect. My shoe. I love it.
What about the hair? Should I wear a louder color? Maybe orange or pink or...
Tasha.
I want to look good.
This is nice.
You're sure I'm not looking ordinary?
If you are, I will tell you. You
okay.
look good.
I am going to hold you responsible if he's not impressed. Deal?
Deal.
I'm holding you responsible.
If he is impressed?
Maybe I'll give you a few dollars.
That would be nice.
Okay.
Okay, turn. Oh, shit.
You like what you see?
I like what I see.
All right, let me run along.
Shake that ass, baby. Oh, you look good.
The sphere of life keeps going round and round. We don't even know.
Look who's back.
Welcome. Guess what? We're stuck in traffic. I saw that guy that sells okpa.
What?
Yes! After that mouth-watering one you got for us the last time, I decided to get this. I hope this tastes as good as that one you got.
Young, lanky boy?
Yes! I guess that's the guy you got your okpa from.
God
right?
forbid! No, that's not where I got it from. But hopefully this will taste good.
Yeah, actually. Let me go freshen up, okay? I'll dish this out afterwards.
God, I need to be careful. So careful. I almost used my own hands to spoil everything. How was she able to meet with Gabriel? God, I beg you. I can't afford any mistakes. Not now. God, please help me. Let my next plan just work perfectly so I can live here in peace.
The sphere of life keeps going round and round. We don't even know where it's going. People change in ways you never imagined. They change and you wonder why. The heart is deeper than the deepest ocean. It's hard to know what it carries. So why you trust? Guard your heart, guard your mind in this crazy world. Guard your heart, guard your mind. Always be safe. Guard your truth in this crazy world. Guard your heart, guard your heart, guard your mind. Always stay safe. Guard your truth in this crazy. It's a crazy.
I like your name, Natasha.
Natasha Edwards.
Oh, I really like your name though, Natasha Edwards.
Thank you.
So, please.
This is really nice. Did you make it?
Yes, I did.
Wow. A man that can cook. Impressive.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So tell me, what do you do?
I'm a lot of things.
Hmm.
Brand ambassador, realtor, the list is endless.
Interesting. So how did you end up at Gulera's place?
Oh, that. It's actually a long story. But let's just say I needed a place to lay my head, and she was kind enough to give me her place to crash. For a bit. Yes.
That's kind of her.
Yes, she is.
So Natasha, tell me what's your interest? What excites you?
I like nice things. Yeah, I like the beautiful things of life. I like to travel. I like to shop. I like to spend money. Enough about
Okay.
Now let's talk about you. What do you like to do?
Me?
What do you enjoy doing? Yes, you. Apart from staring, what else do you enjoy doing?
Okay. Okay, so today's about you. Okay. So, yeah.
Okay. This is really tasty.
I really had a nice time today. Thank you for coming around.
I had a swell time too. Thank you. And the food, it was amazing.
You're welcome. Thank you. Could we do this some other time? Outside preferably. I mean, somewhere nice.
Obviously not today. And I need to make something clear. I don't do cheap places. It's way below my standard, and I am not afraid to admit it.
Oh, wow. Duly noted. I would set up something that suits your standard. I mean, something befitting of your personality.
I love that. Yeah.
Okay, I won't keep you any longer. All right. I'm having smoke upstairs. I hope you don't mind my driver dropping you off.
That's something like that.
Yeah.
Right, that's fine.
Oh, okay. Kola!
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're done?
Yes, I'm done, sir.
Okay, please drop her off.
Okay.
And make sure you drive safe.
No problem, sir.
So, Madam Big Standard, I hope say this car reach your level.
Excuse me?
Wait now, I mean make her no move, make you come enter private jet.
What is that supposed to mean?
Nothing, no. I just say make I confirm whether this car reach your level.
Hey, you better watch your mouth. Otherwise, you will lose your job.
Wait, oh, me? I dey watch my mouth very well, oh. But I only talk anyhow with people who no fit fire me.
So you think I can't do anything to you, right?
Me?
You think I can't do anything to you?
Madam High Standard, I swear if you talk anyhow, everybody will hear what you always do. Chikina.
You know what? Respect yourself and take me home.
Okay. Madam High Standard.
Don't call me that again.
Hunger.
Come in.
Hi, good morning, Tasha.
Hi, Becky.
Hi.
You need anything?
Actually,
checked on you earlier, but you were not around.
Oh yes, I went for my usual morning routine.
Oh.
You know, I have to keep this body in check.
Yeah, nice.
Yes.
Actually, I came to remind you about the money I borrowed you, including the one for the rent.
Oh yes. Can you imagine? I completely forgot. Yes, a lot has been happening. My head is all over the place, especially with this apartment completion.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah. But don't worry.
I understand, but you know that you need to.
Listen, just give me a little time, okay? We're talking about small money now, and you know with me, money now water. Don't worry, I'll sort you guys out, okay? I just need a little time, please. All right? I promise to give you more than you gave me.
All right.
It's small money now.
No problem.
I'm not.
Thank you.
Don't worry. All right.
Maybe.
I think I'm a bit hungry. Did you cook anything?
She made food. Gloria made food.
Oh, she did.
Yes,
Nice.
so you can help yourself.
Yeah, I'll manage it. But can you help me get some?
Sure. Let me get for you.
You're so sweet. Sweet girl.
Thank you.
I'm going to. Hi. Hunger. I beg. Made the food plenty. I beg. I don't.
This girl different. The way she carries herself, with so much, confidence, class. That girl's my type, oh. Yeah.
Hey, you don't say my ear don't fool like this. Eh? You don't talk different, you don't talk class. Guy, see, I'll be your guy man to man, tell me the truth. Are you falling for this babe or not?
Fall. Which one will fall? Fall, okay. I'm just telling you that, look, I like this girl's vibe. I mean, look, she told me straight up that she doesn't do cheap places.
Okay.
No unnecessary humility, pretending. Bro.
Oh. Wait. Wait. Guy, now they know humility part. Now the impression, Abi?
Come on now. You don't get it. You don't get what I talk. She's not pretending to be someone she's not.
Guy, talk to man. I'll be your guy now. Tell me the truth. If you don't judge it. Because from the way you're talking, from the way you're hyping her, if they ask you to kneel down and swear that you're not catching feelings, guy, you go hesitate.
It's not that deep now. Guy, calm down now. Calm down. I just said I like the girl's vibe. I mean, yeah, she's different from every other chick. She's spontaneous. And I like that, yeah.
She's spontaneous.
Mm-hmm.
And you like that? My guy, don't they fall in love. The almighty Desmond, slayer of women's heart, is not being slayed.
Bro.
Guy, what does I never end do?
Guy, I just like her vibe, her company, that's all.
That's all.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, no problem. Let me just give you guys a few more weeks and see how where it leads to. Because you're just promoting this girl, defending her, somebody you just met.
You need to meet her.
I need to meet her.
Yeah, you can understand what I talk. I mean,
you like her?
Bro.
Mama, I know happy. I no go lie for you. Which kind of rubbish be that now? Why this boy does they disgrace person up and down? Which kind of rubbish be that?
Wait too.
He's supposed to be my brother, not be person where they hawk up and down.
But no be today they hawk. He don't they hawk since now.
Mama,
why it don't become problem
stop
now?
Mama, no, they tell me that kind of thing. No tell me that kind of thing. I tell her, may you no hawk. If you want hawk now, may you hawk around here now. Which one be say go they enter different places they hawk?
I don't hear. I go tell them when they come.
You know the kind of shame where they shame me. You wear cloth like rag.
I say I go tell them.
See, I know say we don't get money. I know. But you go to disgrace himself. They behave like person who no get sense. They behave like person who no get mama, person who no get papa. You know they are alive. Person who no get sister. But all the hustle while they also give her money, you see they behave like that. I don't like
wait. Why na this small thing they make you provoke like this?
I don't tell you my own. Tell am. If they hawk, may no hawk past this area. I don't
hear. Be coming down. All this energy where they put gara make you use them. They plan for your life. How far safe with the house where you say they look for?
They try now. They try all of you now. Nothing say easy. Person go they hustle up and down. Another person go they embarrass the person. They shame the person. I dey on top of my I dey try.
Wow. Abeg make you hurry up because this place, the way the landlord dey disturb person, I no like am. So that make we come parking dey stay with you.
I don't hear you, Mama. So you never come back from school?
You never come back.
You come
They
back,
do lesson.
You go come back, come meet me.
Say something dey wrong.
You wear cloth like madman, like person wey no get sense, dey waka up and down street.
This one you look like who ran a marathon. Wetin sup?
I am exhausted. But that's not the worst part of it.
Okay, tell me about it.
Desmond, he barely gave me his attention today.
Okay, that's new.
Becky, I'm not joking around. I'm serious. Look, I feel like I'm losing him slowly.
Losing him? You never even had him.
That's exactly the problem. Maybe I should tell him how I feel.
Tell him what? That you're in love with him while he might be busy chasing other women?
Becky, maybe if I tell him how I feel, he will know that this feeling is mutual. I know Desmond. I know he loves me.
He knows. Gloria, they always know. They just act clueless when the feeling is not mutual. Man.
But what if I don't tell him and I regret it later?
Then regret it. Okay? Look, it's better than going there to embarrass yourself. Gloria, if a man loves you, he wouldn't allow you to sit around and wait, making yourself doubt yourself if he values you or not. He will simply do the needful. He will take you out on a date, show you off. So please, you need to relax. Please.
God, I hate this. God, I hate this. I hate this.
Look, I know, okay? But you need to get it together.
Chairman. Oga, see as you said today. See drip on drip now. Oga, so if you be land, my time you dey. Oga, they are daddy. I said they are father. See fresh haircut now. Fresh haircut. See, this is what we call simple and classy. Oga, he said die.
Is the car ready, Kola?
Oga, the car is ready.
Okay.
Wait. See, Oga, this your fragrance. If you wake person from coma.
Kola, can I have the keys?
No problem, sir.
I'm driving myself.
Oga, they give billionaires vibes. Make I drive you now.
Can
you
I have
stay yourself.
Don't worry, I have a date today, okay?
A date?
Yes.
Hey, I talk am. Oga, boss.
You can take the day off.
If that girl no accept am today, we go collect that money wey you wan give her. Oga. My boss, like Romano. Hey.
Wow. You look stunning.
Do I, or are you just trying to flatter me?
Would I lie to you?
Who knows?
Anyways, I booked us a reservation at one of the best restaurants. You're about to be blown away.
Who am I to say no?
Please, come in. You're welcome. Okay. Okay. We are here.
Yep.
You know, I haven't had this fun in a long time. I really had fun today.
I had an amazing time too. And it was so relieving.
I'm glad you did.
I did.
Natasha, look, I'm not here to play games. I know what I want and I go for it. I want to have something serious with you. Something that would last.
That's quick.
Oh well, when a man wants something, he goes for it.
Then you'll have to earn my time and attention.
Is that a challenge?
If that's how you see it.
Challenge accepted.
Alright then. I have to go inside. I'm sure the girls are already waiting for me. I had fun. Have a great day. I had fun.
The sphere of life keeps going round and round. We don't even know where it's going. People change in ways you never imagined. They change and you wonder why. The heart is deeper than the deepest
I'm sorry, I had
ocean.
to freshen up. Okay?
It's hard to know.
Yeah.
I don't know, you've been distant for some reasons.
It wasn't intentional. I've been busy. Okay. You sounded a bit urgent on the phone. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything is fine. Just that I want to discuss something very important with you.
Oh, really? Okay. I'm listening.
Desmond, we have known each other for quite some time now.
Yeah.
And I've held this for way too long. I actually see you more than a friend. It took me a while before I could actually come here and say all this, but I feel like pouring out my mind to you. I don't want to pretend anymore. I like you, Desmond. I really, really like you. I see you more than just a friend. It took a lot for me to tell you this, but I'm done. I'm done pretending. I'm tired of holding it for long. So I thought of coming here to spill it out to you, to confess my true feelings towards you. I really like you, Desmond, so much. And I don't know if you feel the same way for me too.
Lord, Gloria, I appreciate you for your honesty and the courage to say this, but we've been friends, and I see you as a friend, nothing but just a friend. Look, if I had any feeling otherwise, you know I would come to you and say something. I don't mean to hurt you, but I'm seeing someone else. It's still early, but I'm taking it seriously.
I thought we were the calls, the messages, the gifts. I thought it was just more than us being friends.
Gloria, you're like a sister to me. Okay? Look, I'm sorry if my kind gestures communicated otherwise. It's
It's fine. It's okay. Thank you for being honest. I just thought maybe we could don't worry, it's fine.
Hey. I don't want you to feel hurt, okay? You deserve someone who would love you fully. And I mean that.
Thank you. Thank you.
People change in ways you never imagined. They change and you wonder why. The heart is deeper than the deepest ocean. It's hard to know what it carries.
Gloria.
So why you trust? Guard your heart. Guard your mind.
I don't want to. You've been like this since you came back.
Becky, I should have kept my feelings to myself.
Well, now you know the truth.
And now what? He said he sees me as a friend. Becky, a friend? Here I was thinking that maybe, just maybe, he felt the same way I was feeling.
We don't take chances on the people we care about.
Why him? Why him? I mean, I should have known. I was paying attention to the tiniest things. I didn't even get any real sign from him. Becky, I feel naked. I feel exposed. I gave my heart to him and he just gave it back like it meant nothing.
Gloria, at least you have your dignity. You didn't beg, you didn't chase. You only spoke and he responded. Now you heal. Okay?
How do I heal from this? How?
It's okay. Just don't allow this break you, okay? When the right time comes, you wouldn't even have to say a word.
Wait. You mean Gloria? Our Gloria?
Yeah. She said she couldn't keep it anymore, that she has liked me for a while.
Oh, that must have been a lot. So, what did you now tell her?
The truth. Yeah, I had to tell her that I've always seen her as a friend, nothing more. I mean, no strings attached.
Ah, that must have got really deep.
It did. I could see it in her eyes, you know. But what would you have me do? I mean, I had to tell her the truth. There's no way I could lead her on. She deserves someone better, someone who would, you know, feel the same way, that would not manage her emotions.
It's better you're honest with her. But Gloria, she really fell.
Yeah, she did. You know, I didn't mean to hurt her. I didn't see it coming.
Guy, I don't blame her. I mean, you're a good-looking guy. You're intelligent and rich. No one gonna rush you.
But still, I just wish it wasn't her.
It's okay. I think she'll be alright. Just give her space. You know, women are strong like that.
I just hope this doesn't ruin our friendship, you know.
Bro, I don't think it will. You know, just take it easy. So what's up with business? What's the plan for the anniversary?
Oh,
The heart is deeper than the deepest ocean. It's hard to know what it carries. So why you trust? Guard your heart, guard your mind in this crazy world. Guard your heart,
Des,
yeah?
you've not given me the money I requested for.
Oh, yeah, look, Tasha, the truth is I have a lot at hand right now. My anniversary, my business anniversary is coming up, and I also invested in some things. Okay, but look, I promise to give you the money next week.
It's fine.
Are you sure?
I trust you.
Okay.
Concerning what you asked me, it's a yes.
For real?
Yes, I'll be your girl.
I love you. For real.
I love you too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know, this is one of the happiest days of my life.
My daughter,
Yes,
thank you
Mama.
so much. You don't overdo for us. If no be for you, I don't even know what we dey do for this life. Thank you so much.
Nemo.
It's okay.
If I not do for you, I won't do for. Now the small one where I fit do, now I dey do. Mama.
Thank you.
The small money where I give you manager.
manage.
No worry. From time to time, I go dey come visit you now. Only say transport don't cost. Hey! If you see what
Nigeria.
transportation they talk for this country,
I don't know where we are going, you know.
I go dey manage, I go dey come.
Thank you. Eh?
Take care of yourself.
Take
Yeah.
care. Thank you. God will bless you.
Thank you.
Gabriel,
God.
see how
Bye
come
bye.
back quick, oh.
Outside now. You said number 18, 18A or 18B? I'm seeing 18A now. I'm here. I'm in front of 18A. Is it 18 or 16? I'm here. Oh, where are you? A grey color gate or white? Oh, God. Which house number now? I've been waiting for this. Madam, I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. What is Natasha doing with this Okpabo? Is that not Natasha? That's Natasha. Jesus Christ. Madam, I go come back and see you. I'll go come back, I beg. We'll go see later. We'll go see later, madam. Natasha. Becky, you need to see what I saw. I saw Tasha walking down the street, holding hands, laughing, gisting with that Okpa boy. What? Did you hear what I said? I said I saw Natasha.
I heard you. Maybe she wants to buy Okpa or something.
It's not possible. Natasha. Someone like that. We just be holding hands with Okpa guy, just like that. Don't you know who she is? Senator's daughter.
And so? See, I think you're overreacting and you're taking all of these things too serious. Maybe she's just fond of the guy or something. I don't know.
Natasha is not like that. Someone that rejected that Okpa guy that day. There is no way she would be happy with that kind of person. It's not possible. Tasha?
See, you guys, they calm down now. That's her life. She has things to do and she has friends, okay? I have stuff to upload. I beg.
So, what I'm saying is not making sense. I flew back just so I can get here before her. So I will give you the full gist.
The gist not sweet. Don't vex.
Sorry, let me do mistake. Natasha. With Okpa boy, with Okpa boy. There's something fishy.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's toast to the continued growth of Prime Tech Solutions. Hip, hip, hip! Hooray!
Cheers!
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 Yeah.
Cheers. Still in the spirit of celebration, I want to use this medium to thank you all for being here. I really, really appreciate your presence as we celebrate Prime Tech Solutions. I mean, it's been a journey, and you all have been part of this journey. You know, from the little beginnings of when I started with a laptop, with laptop and a dream, down to where it is now. You know, the setbacks, the sweat, the little victories that has led to the big wins. I want to thank you all that have been part of my journey. And I want to say God bless you all. And also, I want to use this medium to thank one amazing person, my woman. Yes. I want to introduce you all to a special person that is also part of my life right now and part of my dream. She has brought shine to my life. I'm sure you understand that. She's no other person but Natasha Edwards. Thank you guys. Here's my beautiful damsel. Yeah. Please, let's keep making merry. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Please, I'm sorry for that.
She's not always like that, I promise. I promise you, she's not always like that. I'm so sorry. Gloria! Gloria!
What is it? What? Calm down now, I'm talking to you. What is it? See, you need to calm down, okay?
I should calm down. Do you expect me to be calm? How could Tasha do this to me? Becky, how could she? And Desmond, Tasha of all people?
Look, you're upset and you need to calm down. Look, we will sort out everything.
Of course I am upset. Am I supposed to be happy? Do you know what we did for that girl? After accepting her into our home, this is all she refused to pay me back?
You don't have to do this to yourself, Gloria. Okay? You're not even supposed to be mad at Tasha.
You know what? I will not sit down, fold my hands, and do nothing about this nonsense. Tasha is leaving our house this night. I do not care if she dies or not. She's leaving our house, and that's fine now.
Overreacting. Calm down.
Hello, excuse me. Good evening.
Good evening, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So you're the guy that sells Okpa, right?
Yes, I'm there.
Oh, yes. You remember me? I was one that bought Okpa for me the one time like that.
Oh, yes, I remember.
Yes.
I remember,
How
yes,
are
I know.
you?
I'm fine, right?
You're good?
Yes, I'm good.
You're going home?
Yeah, I'm going home.
Okay. The thing is, I would like to invest in your Okpa business. Are you the only one that sells it?
No, I sell it with my mom.
Your mom?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Where do you guys stay?
Yeah, we stay at Songo Tedo. Yes, there's a T junction once you get to Sogotedo.
Okay.
Yeah, once you just take the first right.
Okay.
Yeah, you see a mud house.
Oh, that's what you guys.
Yes, that's what.
You know what? Do you have a phone?
Yes, I have a phone.
Okay, phone.
Yes.
Please put your number
Yeah,
here.
phone.
Please charge your phone here.
Yes.
I will call you tomorrow. Please call your number. Put your number here. Put your number.
Okay.
Are you going home this night?
Yes, I'm going.
Okay, I'll call you, yeah?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
All right, dear.
Bye bye.
Gloria,
what is it?
What is this about?
I don't care. See, Tasha should better make sure I don't find anything fishy with this boy.
See, Gloria,
She's leaving the house this night. I don't fucking care.
Calm down now. I thought we were over this already. Gloria. Look, don't get ahead of yourself. Confronting her wouldn't be the best option. Okay? You don't know the full story, so you need to calm down.
Oh, so I should sit down and accept this? Eh? How could he do this to me? How?
Look, just calm down. Your emotions are high right now. You need to calm down and think about it clearly before doing anything.
Becky, I will not accept this. I will not. Never. She should better pray she has a clean slate. If not.
So what's your plan?
My plan?
Becky! Becky! Becky, are you in the house? What? She's picking her calls. Hello, Desmond. The door is locked, and I don't even know how or when they locked it. Now I'm stranded.
How? Why?
I don't know. But I have a strong feeling Gloria is behind it. I don't know what to do. Please, can you come help me?
Babe, look, I'm so sorry. I'm in a very important meeting right now. But don't worry, just hang in there, okay? I'll wrap up soon and come get you out, okay?
Please hurry up. I'm scared. I don't know why they would lock me in. I'm waiting.
Yes. Yeah. Where's your mom? Hey, call her. Hey.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. My pikin, they tell me about tuna.
Yeah. Okay. Well, the reason why I'm here is because I've tasted your okpa and I really love it.
Oh.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
We really love it.
You.
We grew up enjoying your okpa actually.
Thank you.
So
God
I don't
bless
mind.
you.
Anyway, I could just help you support your business, invest in it, so you can expand this okpa business.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
You're welcome. But you're so hardworking, God will continue to bless your hustle.
Thank you.
Right. So it's just this okpa you sell. How you take days and they raise only this boy?
Na God though. Na God they sustain us. It's not even only him. I get them too. Gabriel and his sister, Amaka.
Natasha.
I dey hear her friends, they call her that kind name. But Amaka, na my daughter.
Hey, ma, make I show you the Natasha while they talk. We're not the same person, the same Ndidi.
Okay.
Na the Ndidi be this.
Na Amaka, na my pikin.
Na your pikin be this.
Yes.
Na your other sister.
Hey,
yeah.
She dey city.
She dey city, abi?
Yes.
Oh, now I know her. Na my friend. Na our friend. Na nice person, no. Na nice person.
Na nice person.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, ma. Gabriel, now. We'll just buy some food stuff on our house.
Hey, thank you so much.
We're not like say we'll come empty-handed.
I know say we
hungry they catch you now. Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
You're welcome. Ma.
Thank you. Gabriel, follow them. Anywhere they go, follow. And behave yourself. I don't want to hear story. Thank you.
Thank you, ma. No problem.
God bless you.
No problem.
Okay.
I'll see you next time now. We'll talk about the business. Yeah?
If you go, greet my pikin for me.
I'll go greet her. I'm a very good friend.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Don't Kiko.
Yeah, no problem. Now, yeah, she stay, Abi. Your sister.
Oh, thank you. Food don't come. Hey.
I know Ndidi Amaka. Hey, you're a very nice person. You're a better person.
It's hard to know what it carries. So why you trust God?
Shut the door after me.
Gloria, why would you lock someone inside the house?
I'm so sorry, Desmond. I had to. You would probably thank me later.
Come on, open the door. Who locks an adult inside the house? That's not nice now.
I have my reasons.
Sister! Chineke, what did you do for here? I wasn't born with a silver spoon. Not even a plastic spoon. We were mocked. I was even laughed at for dreaming. So I learned to cope. I had to do what I had to do. I intentionally faked profiles just so that I could be accepted, so I could be noticed, and so I could make ends meet. Some people know me as Esther, Sophia, Gift,
and Natasha, right?
My name is Ndidi. Ndidi Amaka is a buruburu. Everything. All of it. The mansions. The money. The trips all around the world. The footballer boyfriend. Even me being a senator's daughter. They were all lies. Fabrications. I knew it.
Wait, let me get this straight. No footballer boyfriend, no international trips, no Dubai, no Paris.
I haven't even...
Girl, you sit down for this house! You dey here, they wash us down. This girl dey here, they make us be like say we not be anything. Can you imagine this bastard? All of this thing was just a decorated struggle.
Becky, please, calm down. Look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you intentionally.
Oh, please shut up. Can you imagine? I'm sure you would have run away if you had the slightest idea that we knew you.
I just wanted to belong. I just wanted to be respected. I went through a lot. You know how we were looked down on. I'm sorry.
And to think I defended this bastard!
Becky!
Becky,
Becky!
I defended you!
Don't do. It's okay. I told you.
Tasha, I swore on your name! I did everything for you. I gave this bastard my money. She never even paid me back, oh!
It's not true. I don't have money. I don't have money to pay.
Becky! Becky! This idiot will come up for this house.
Becky, calm down!
Leave me alone.
Becky!
Desmond.
You! your beauty self out of this house. Becky! Becky, calm down. Calm down. Leave! Get out of this house! The only reason I'm leaving you and not raising a hand on you is because you're a woman. If I see you for this house again, your house will bleed. Bastard! Get out! Can you imagine? Jesus! Dirty girl from the gutters. Jesus, I not tell you, they carry more of the more. We will give you dollars. Jesus, my head.
They change and you wonder why. The heart is deeper than the deepest ocean. It's hard to know what it carries. So why you trust God your
Natasha Ndidi.
My sister. All of these things just they be me like dream. Oh. Because how can someone be that manipulative? How?
Hey, well, I'm not surprised. I knew something was off. Only God knows who her victims are.
I swear. To think that I washed that girl's clothes, I lent her my money, I fed her. Guy, I swept her room. I did sweat. They swept this girl room. Now we didn't pay me. For this girl to do, no, they laugh now. This is not serious matter. See, you see this girl where they corner anywhere where you dey. Now so things go they pursue you. You go just they run for no reason because waiting be all these ones.
Not Natasha. What's her name? Ndidi what?
Ndidi Amaka. ND for short. Hey, Jesus.
Did I not warn you? I told you, but it was as if she used jazz on you.
Sister, I be like,
I never understand. You carry mop today, you carry broom tomorrow, you carry packer. I was Becky. Huh. Thank God we discovered this on time, because only God knows the extent she was willing to go. Becky, oh, you know, go and cook food. I'm hungry.
Right now, I did rehab. No cooking, no cleaning.
You reach my turn now, don't they shy eye. If it's Natasha now, what is this paragina you're eating? That girl is a hungry girl.
Gay.
Go and cook, I'm hungry, I beg.
Bro, I swear I never saw this coming. Tasha, after all the stories she told about herself. So where's the sweet girl you fell for?
I don't know, my bro. I don't know. I just feel messed up right now, you know. She's been playing, lying. She plays her card well. She played her cards well.
Bro, I'm speechless.
I've never been so embarrassed the way I felt that day. She's been calling, but I just can't deal with this whole thing right now. I loved her, Ben. I loved her, not her status, but her. The problem is, I don't even know if she felt the same way for me.
Bro, you see why I'm always very careful when it comes to relationship. I always want to dig deep. I always want to dig very deep. Ah, God. Tasha. This life is full of surprises.
The sphere of life keeps going round and round.
Desmond, I know you're highly disappointed at me, but I just want to tell you the truth. I never planned on falling in love with anyone because I knew it will pose as a threat. But with you, it was different. I fell in love with you so much that I couldn't help it. I've lived a lie for as long as I know. And I was just trying to gain the validation, the respect I never got to have. Owing to my background, Desmond, I never intended for things to escalate this way. And I guess it's time I pay for all the crimes I've committed. It's okay. It's okay if by now you hate me. But all I want is your forgiveness. Please, my love. I'm sorry. Hi.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Clara, please calm down. I just wanted to apologize for everything I did to you. I've realized my mistakes. I was wrong. What I did was terrible. I was so foolish and stupid. I was under pressure to fit in. I just wanted to belong and I'm sorry. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. Gloria, please.
Get out!
Gloria! Mama, I feel very, very sorry. I know, say, I don't fall your hand. I fall your hand well. Don't be so you carry pain me. But Mama, don't be say I dey find excuse. But I do this thing what I do because I won't carry us comot from poverty. Every time when I see person they insult my mama, they pain me. I beg, no verse for me. Beg.
You don't do this one. You don't do. I no go blame you too much. Na poverty na dey cause all this.
It's not my fault.
You don't do. I don't forgive you. You should learn to make you forgive yourself. Eh? You still get life ahead of you. But try to change. I don't want all this lie. No be so I take train you. I know say people no go forget this kind thing. They no go forget them easily. But what we go do? It don't happen.
Mama, I did very sorry, I beg. It's okay. I did sorry, say I disgrace you. Mona, forgive me.
The spare of life keeps going round and round. We don't even know where it's going. People changing ways you never imagined. They change and you wonder why.
Hello? I've missed you.
I missed you too, Desmond. Desmond, I know I messed up. Please forgive me.
Hey.
I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I'm really sorry. Please.
It's fine, I understand, okay? It's fine. Look, Natasha.
My name is not Natasha. My name is Ndidi. Ndidi Amaka.
Ndidi, are you busy?
No,
I want us to talk.
I'm not busy, I'm free.
Okay. I've always loved you. I've loved you, Ndidi. When I said I love you, I didn't love to you the word defined based on status. I loved you for your innocence. It would have been a different case if I clinged to you based on ulterior motive, but I really do love you. And I would want us to, start all over on a clean slate.
Desmond, I don't even know what to say right now. You're such a good man. And I'm grateful. Thank you for giving me another chance. I promise I will not blow it up. I'm sincerely sorry, Desmond.
It's fine. Okay, look, okay. I understand. That's all in the past. Okay, what matters is we love each other. And I love you.
I love you. I love you so much, Desmond. Guys, once again, I want to say I am sorry. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I know this is hard, considering I hurt you both. But please, to err is human, and to forgive is divine. I actually envy both of you. You don't have everything going on for yourselves, yet you're happy. You're contented. I really wonder how you do it. I want to learn from you. Becky, the one with the healing smile. Becky, you have such a childlike heart. And I'm sorry I took advantage of that. Please, forgive me. I promise to return all the money you give to me. Please. Gloria, I'm sorry for all my lies. I am really sorry, please. I honestly wanted to open up at some point, but I didn't know how to. I was ashamed of myself. Please, just forgive me. I beg of you. Please. I want to learn from you. I see your values and morals, and I want to be like that. I want to be your friend, because I know with you by my side, my quest of becoming a better person will not be far-fetched. Please, guys, forgive me and give me another chance. Thank you. Thank you so much. You see why I say you have a kind heart? Oh my God, it's the smile for me. Thank you so much. Gloria. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I actually miss you.
I miss you more. Thank you so much. Again, please.
Always be yourself, okay? No matter what.
I will.
Okay?
Yes, I will.
And as for you and Desmond, I wish the both of you the best of luck.
Gloria. I love you girls.
I love you too.
I have the prettiest friends in the world.
Right?
Now I can go back to Massachusetts.
Of course.
I don't belong here.
I don't belong here.